Okay, good afternoon to everyone. So here is our what we known as the law of exponents. So ilang video lang to, short minute video lang to para mas maintindihan nyo kung ano yung laws of exponents, no, na lesson natin. So 5 rule yan o 4 na rule yan. We have the product rule, we have the product law or the product rule. So, let's say A raised to M times A raised to N. So, the product law itself, imumultiply mo as if yung dalawa. No? Or i-add mo lang siya. So, let's say A equals M plus N. So, yan yung example natin for the product law itself. So, A raised to M times A raised to N is equivalent to A times A raised to M plus N. So, i-add mo lang siya as is. Parang addition lang siya. No? Sige, another illustration tayo. 2M times 4M square. So, pansinin natin. So, pag gaganit po yung number na yan, ang gagawin mo, hiwalayin mo muna yung whole number. So, gawin mo is 2 times 4 times yung M1 mo, no? M1 plus 2. Simply means, ito times mo lang yung dalawa na to. Multiply mo, then ito i-add mo yung kanilang exponent. So, 2 times 4 is 8 times M raised to positive 3 or cubic meters. So, 8 cubic meters ang tamang sagot. Ini-add mo lang yung kanyang exponent dyan, no? That is the product law.